Lifting tooling ZWPJ.7170. Installation tutorial. Required for installation: electric hand drill, spanner for screws. Align the lifting tooling front to back with the stair climber. Push in the stair climber to make it fit the lifting tool. Then align the holes with for screws and put in. Tighten the screws. How to use lifting tooling. Turn on the power. Make the support arm touch the ground. Turn off the power. Retract the armrests. Attach the hexagonal sleeve to the hand drill and insert it into the rotary head of the lifting tooling. Counterclockwise to rise the goods. Clockwise to fall the goods. Capacity and lifting height. The max lifting height is 230 cm. Max load in 100 kg. Product features.
XSTO, ease your way to anywhere.